Hi guys, this is Aditya Patel and you are watching biowalebeings. Today I will show you how to do handstand. Let's start. First of all, you have to stretch your whole body and palm. Basically, handstand need two things. First one is handstand, another one is balance. If you get handstand, then you can make balance easily. There are 4 exercises which I use to increase handstand. First one is pike push-ups. Second one is frog stand. Third one is back arch. And last one is wall push-up. You have to do at least 20 pike push-ups. You have to hold frog stand at least 60 seconds. You have to hold back arch for injury prevention. Now try to kick against wall. You have to do at least 5 wall push-ups. Now it's time to balance yourself. Try to hold yourself along wall for 1 minute. Try to walk yourself, or you can take help from your friend. After practicing these exercises, you will be able to do handstand and its variations. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe biowalebeings.